Welcome back, Amazon sellers. Today we're tackling a common question: how to change barcode preferences in Amazon Seller Central. Whether you're updating your barcode settings for better inventory management or optimizing your listings, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. To begin, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Hover over the Settings tab in the top right corner and select Fulfillment by Amazon from the drop-down menu. Find Barcode Preferences on the Fulfillment by Amazon Settings page. Locate the Barcode Preference section. Select your preference from Amazon or manufacturer barcode in the option Amazon Barcode. Amazon will generate a unique barcode FNSKU for each of your products. You can also select manufacturer barcode. Thoroughly review your settings and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. That's how you change your barcode preferences in Amazon Seller Central. By optimizing these settings, you can streamline your FBA workflow and potentially reduce labeling hassle. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more Amazon selling tips.